oh, should you mod a Honda Fit? So today I have two Fits. One is mine and my other is my friend's. This is actually being sold and I'm super sad to see it go because I love driving this thing. It is probably the best Fit I've ever driven, and being around it makes me want to mod this. However, I'm not going to do it because there is some rust on this car and I am super sad about that. If there was no rust, I would probably want to mod it more, but yeah. So mine is a 2009 completely stock base GE8 Honda Fit. The only thing I have is intake, Apple CarPlay, and some LEDs all around. These are actually white wheels. I have no idea what they are, but they came with the car. As you can see, this thing is lowered on BC coils and a lot more parts. This is a 2013 Honda Fit Sport. The Sport has the fog lights, a better steering wheel, and some better aero than mine. We also have authentic Mugen window visors here. I believe these are called Stellar V taillights. The clear taillights look so good on the black. I'm a big fan of that. Man, this, like a Fit lowered, looks so good. There's a bit of a difference. These are on SSRs. I don't know what model they are. Inside, it does look really similar to mine. Yeah, there are a lot of similarities. It's pretty much the same thing, honestly. Mine though is in rough shape. Look at this steering wheel here. Look at how dirty my floor mats are. Well, I gotta clean this thing. Alright. So, the steering wheel is different. It has like this perforated leather here. But yeah, Apple CarPlay head unit, and other than that, it looks pretty similar. But this thing has a short shifter. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. It's a pretty short shift. Oh, it feels good. This has the hybrid racing short shifter, and I believe the shift knob as well. And it just feels 10 times better than mine. My shift knob, oh, look at the throws. Like, it's so long and just like floaty. There's a lot of movement. Obviously this is not a 6-speed. I just got this off of a I think it was a Civic Si off of a friend, so that's why it says 6-speed. But it's not, it's a 5-speed. But yeah, look at that. It's just so long. I will say though, the biggest difference for this car, I hope you can hear this. It has...
Show restarts recording.
Can you hear that vibration? Solid engine mounts. Oh my god. That's a lot of vibration. Oh my god. You can imagine how it's like to drive this thing. It also has an HKS, I believe it's the high power silent exhaust. Let me give it a few reps. This is the best Honda Fit ever built. So, it's just a comfortable, nice daily driver, whereas this, it is you feel way more connected to the car. That's the best way for me to describe it. Look at the height difference too. It's not that bad, but you can see that this one is a lot lower. Should you mod your Fit? I have to say, if you can afford it, do it, because the potential for these cars will make you have a smile on your face each time you drive it. It's probably the best deal you can buy. And I'm not just saying that. You have to drive one. But there's so many mods you can do to this car, and the aftermarket support is crazy. Even doing a final drive would be so good. So, if you can afford it, mod your Fit. You feel way more connected. It's a lot more fun to drive. The difference from going from a stock Honda Fit to a modded Honda Fit is night and day difference. Like, don't get me wrong, a stock Fit is good just as is, but once you mod it, you cannot go wrong with a modded Fit. Let's go for a quick drive. The best way for me to describe it is that it's like a go-kart. Oh, I gotta fix this camera. Hold on a second. You can hear that, right? All that vibration. It's just like a go-kart. And this short shifter, oh, it feels so good. Oh. So, should you mod your Honda Fit? 100% you should. Because with these simple mods, night and day difference. You're gonna have 10 times more fun. They're inexpensive, and you can probably do them yourself too. And that will make you learn your car a lot more, which is, you gotta start somewhere, you know? I wish I kind of did my coils myself on my BRZ, but I'm not gonna lie, I got scared. Don't be like me, okay? Short shifter, coils, exhaust if you really want to. That's pretty much it. That's all you really need. Engine mounts, don't get me wrong. Engine mounts are super fun, and I definitely recommend them if you can do them, or take them to a shop to get done, because I sound like a broken record, but night and day difference. I'm sad to see this thing go. If I had the space, or if I could, yeah, no, I just can't. I wish I could pick this up, because this is the best Fit out there right now. And I'm super sad to see it go. But I'm sure I will mod my BRZ to something similar. Short shifter, engine mounts, already has the coils. I'm rambling. Anyways, these things are not fast. Don't expect to break any records. Don't expect to pull on anyone, okay? But expect to have a lot of fun driving it. Thank you so much for watching this little video. Maybe I'll mod my Fit in the future, who knows? But hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.